Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be presenting a bird that has two sad facts. The flesh-footed shearwater. The first sad fact is that it's near threatened. It is a medium-sized shearwater. Its plumage is black. It has pale pinkish feet and a pale bill with a distinct black tip. Fairly common and overmarch of Pacific and Indian Ocean. Uncommon to rare off west coast of North America. Shorter tailed and stockier than dark mauve wedge-tailed shearwater, which is usually has dark bill. Their calls are like The second sad fact is, in the recent past, there were a lot of metal and plastic detected in their body. That is because of global warming and plastic being dumped into the ocean. They mistaken plastic as food floating in the ocean. Breeds on islands off coast of southern Australia and northern New Zealand, not likely to be seen from land, stays further offshore. I have not seen a flesh-footed shearwater. I am not likely to see them unless I go deeply into the ocean with a boat. These are some of the pictures we have taken in our trip to Trincomalee. Out of all the beaches in Sri Lanka, Trincomalee is my favorite because the sea is calm and the water is shallow, where I can walk deep into the ocean. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video in another 2 days.